Lombardy, Italy, July 25, 2023.
Non andare sotto gli alberi, assolutamente.
Severe storm due to bad weather continue in the Lombardy region. A powerful hailstorm hit various cities in the province of Brescia. This was a series of storms that occurred between Monday evening and Tuesday, July 25. The lower guard is one of the most affected areas. Hundreds of cars were crushed by hail the size of apples.
Tutto il parabrezza, i fari, la carrozzeria, guardate che botte, mi ha piegato il telaio della macchina.
Hailstorms destroyed cars, fields, vineyards and buildings in Brescia. Ice cubes measuring 10 to 20 centimeters, weighing nearly 500 grams, were reported to have hit several areas in the province of Brescia and its surroundings. The most affected areas are Sirmione and Desenzano, but also Carpenedolo, Mazzano and Rezzato. Landslides was also reported in Valcamonica, Valtrompia and Valsabbia.
3 minuti, ma ha sfondato tutto il telaio, guarda che roba. Guarda che...
In Sirmione, vineyards are being hit hard. The amount of damage is being calculated. A terrible hailstorm also hit the vineyards of San Martino della Battaglia, a hamlet in Desenzano. In Carpenedolo, hail damaged gardaland and sea life which will remain closed today, while the Natura Viva Park will be closed Tuesday morning. Severe hailstorms were also reported at Bassa Bresciana, particularly at Carpenedolo. Lots of broken car windows. Hail also hit Bettazzole, Mazzano, Rezzato and Boticino. A fallen tree between Marone and Pisan blocked the Brescia-Iseo-Edolo line. Damage along the rail network was also reported between Brescia and Verona. Meanwhile, trees continued to fall along the traffic lanes of the Valle Camonica, Valtrompia, Valsabbia and Val Vestino provincial roads.
Non andare sotto gli alberi, assolutamente.
Guardate tutte le forme di queste.
Very strong winds at night, with gusts of more than 100 kilometers per hour, was reported to have ravaged Milan. Lots of fallen trees and damage to property.